Welcome. In this video we will talk about tea. Sit back and enjoy. Although it used to be served in silver and the finest porcelain, and was also the privilege of people of higher circles, today tea is one of the most popular beverages in the world, available to people all over the planet, who consume it in huge quantities throughout the year. After water, tea is the most consumed beverage around the world. Some people adore it, others drink it only when they are sick. Others know how to please themselves at any time of the day with drinks that refresh, relax, and soothe. Only any time of the day is the right time for tea. There are many interesting things about this drink. The discovery of tea, according to the Chinese legend, the birthplace of teas began quite accidentally and interestingly about 5,000 years ago. In 2737 BC to be exact. While traveling around the country, the Chinese Emperor Shen Nung became thirsty, and as the water was bad and unsuitable for drinking, he ordered his servants to boil it, and then the wind blew the leaves of the tea plant into the pot of boiling water. Intrigued by the taste, the emperor let the leaves sit and then drank the drink, not knowing that he had tasted the world's first tea. Some of the interesting facts about tea. There are about 1,500 types of tea in the world. All types of tea come from the same tea plant of the Camellia genus. The Chinese call black tea red tea. Tea never has the same taste because the taste mainly depends on the temperature, water and time needed to brew the tea, and it is never the same. After water, this beverage is the most consumed in the world. One cup of Da Hong Pao tea, the most expensive tea in the world, costs $3,500. In Great Britain, 165 million cups of tea are drunk per day, or 69 billion per year. The most popular type of tea is black, which accounts for 75% of the total tea consumption in the world. Tea and herbal teas are not the same. Tea is made from a single tea plant, while herbal teas are a mixture of different plants. In China, before drinking tea, women are recommended to wipe the lipstick from their lips so as not to spoil the taste of the drink. 3 million tons of tea are produced annually in the world. There are basically 6 types of tea: green, black, white, yellow, oolong and pure. In the middle of 18th century, tea became the drink of Great Britain. The smell of steeped tea leaves is a natural insect repellent. Tea is not only healthy, it helps to heal cuts, remove unpleasant odors, is an excellent marinade for meat and can be used to clean wooden furniture, floors or mirrors. The national drink of Afghanistan and Iran is tea. In the USA, about 65,000 liters of tea are drunk per day. Lipton Tea is the most popular and best-selling tea brand in the world, and its factory in Dubai produces a minimum of 5 billion tea bags per year. The most expensive meal with tea costs only 8,317 euros at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Hong Kong. Great Britain is most responsible for spreading the custom of drinking tea around the world. Tea bags and iced tea were invented in USA 1904. Until the Second World War, currency in the form of pressed tea was used in Siberia. In the East, tea has been consumed for thousands of years, while the West has only been using it for 400 years. Green tea has 50% more vitamin C than black tea. 3 billion cups are drunk in the world every day. I hope I've inspired you to have a cup of tea. Cheers!